Hey, what's going on? Brian Parody, Business to Bulk. All right, so we've been covering a complete home dumbbell workout series over the last couple weeks. If you've missed those videos, definitely go back and take a look. But today I want to talk about some elements of how to structure your workout. So, I went through all kinds of exercises, hitting all your muscle groups, but how do you build a routine out of that? It's cool to have those exercises, but then what? Like, what do you do with them? So I just kind of want to lay out what I would recommend for building a solid routine, because a routine is crucial. You don't just want to go and do the fun exercises or the exercises you're familiar with or comfortable with every day, because that's not going to effectively build muscle. So number one, I did them all in certain days. So I did chest, I did triceps, I did back, I did biceps, I did shoulders, and I did legs. Now that's a lot of different things, but you can pair some up. So for example, do chest and triceps together, back and biceps together, shoulders and legs. Then if you have time for a fifth day, do a circuit day where you take 2 exercises from each muscle group and go through them all in that day. So that is how I would structure my days. Now, you also can do a push-pull split. This is a little bit more strenuous and you need at least 6 days to do this, but you basically would do chest and triceps, back and biceps, and shoulders and legs. Then you would repeat those 3. So you're doing a full 6 days workout, but you're hitting everything twice a week. This is the most beneficial, but I also get that it's hard sometimes to get in the gym 6 times a week. So if you're not able to, then stick with the 5-day plan. All right, now, I know I went through for individually them. I did different sets, different amount of reps for all of them. But in all honesty, if you're doing this on a repetitive basis and not just like a one-time thing, then I would recommend for across the board doing 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps on every single exercise for the entire week. This is the best method I've found because it's not too high to where you have to really drop the weight and you're not able to push a big load. And it's also not so low that you're not getting the time under tension in. It's that perfect sweet spot. So 3 sets of 12 to 15. Now, that doesn't mean that you can't change that up once in a while. That's just kind of your average pace that you go at for the most part. Then every 6 to 8 weeks, throw something different in. Maybe do 4 sets on everything, or cut the reps in half and increase the weight on everything. So don't be afraid to change things up. And as always, this, focus on your form. Don't rush through these workouts. Don't try to kill it with too much weight. You don't need a lot of weight. You just need to control the weight, go nice and slow. That's going to increase the time under tension. That's what's going to truly build the muscle. And of course, nutrition. And that's what's coming in my next series. We're going to be talking all about food. So definitely stay tuned for that next week. Click the subscribe button so you don't miss those videos when they do drop. And remember, above all else, you've got this.